Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Cast Iron Wednesday. I'll be doing a stuffed meatloaf. I'm stuffing it with turkey stuffing. I know it's the Winco brand. I had the stovetop in my hand and I last minute decided to change it. So I'm actually going to be doing a ground turkey meat. I guess you could say it's a turkey loaf, but I'm calling it meatloaf anyway. So this should be interesting. Never made this before actually, so this will be a first time. My camera's a little crooked. So I got the water on, which I'll turn on, and then I'm going to do the meatloaf in the pan and then flip it in the cast iron. And I've already got my potatoes in, which I forgot to set the catching timer for. I'm giving it a head start because you know potatoes can take a little longer. So okay, all right. So I got this at Whole Foods. The turkey. This is actually a turkey, 94% lean thigh meat. Alright, so I've got 2 pounds of meat. I just realized I forgot 2 beaten eggs. This is going to bind the meatloaf together, or the turkey loaf together. I have some garlic and herb, salt, and Old Bay. What are the measurements? I know I didn't measure it, I just kind of poured it in there. And then I've got this is some of the dressing from out of the bag. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to crush this because this is what's going to be the bread in my turkey loaf. Let me pulverize that off camera and I'll bring it back. Alright, so the water is boiling. It should come together just like the stovetop. Just you add water, stir it well. The water's already evaporated into the bread. I didn't measure how much of the mix I separated. I just poured it into a zip top bag. Why measure? I mean, come on. That looks scrumptious. All right. So I got my crumbs. Your hands dirty. Excellent. Let me clean up and I'll bring you back. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to put my meatloaf in. This is just wax paper. I want to put the meatloaf in here, or the turkey loaf filling in here. Wow, this stuff is really sticky. didn't anticipate this stuff being so sticky. But alright. Something like that. Put the stuffing inside. Top the whole thing. Like this. All right. See if it will work out like I'm hoping. Hey, it looks a little rough, but it is loaf shaped. Hey, I'm calling that okay. So this may surprise a lot of you, but my vegetable today is going to be Brussels sprouts. Now, I actually never liked Brussels sprouts before, but then I was over at a buddy's house, and he made some up, and he asked me if I wanted to try one. So I did, and I'll be damned if they weren't good. So we're gonna make some. So I'm just gonna basically have, well, that one's a little small. But I'm only making enough to fit into this little pan, so I'm not going to need a ton. And 15 minutes for the... that should probably do. Alright, so what I did, I just threw in some garlic, a little bit of olive oil, and that's it. So I'm just going to bake it like that and see how it comes out. Now the website said, well, the internet said about 25 minutes, or about 25 to 35 minutes is about what I'm going to do the meatloaf at. So let's go ahead and slide these guys right in the oven. Sweet. Alright, so I still got 5 minutes left, but I want to stir and check everything. See how everything is looking. Well, those are looking alright. Kind of falling apart. It's looking quite good. Now, because I stuffed the center, I can't really temp the center because 152. So I'm going to give it probably another 10 minutes. The spuds are quite done. So, yeah, we'll give it 10 minutes. That's probably all. All right, dinner is done. I didn't film taking it out of the oven because I was on the phone. So, but all I did was take it out of the oven. So, I put a little bit of butter on the potatoes because everything's just better with butter, unsalted butter. Wow, that was so. Now, I didn't buy cranberry sauce, even though I was making a turkey loaf, because I feel like they put too much damn. I feel like they put too much frickin' sugar in canned cranberry sauce. It's like I want to eat cranberry sauce because I like cranberries, not because I want to sit there and eat a can of sugar. So, all right. So I got my sprouts pulled out. I made a good amount. I'm gonna cut this meatloaf. Let's see. Cut the star. Zoom in on it. So let's see if we can see the. See if we can see the stuffing. It probably won't be on the end. It should just be pure turkey meat. Get that pulled out. Oop. It shreds a piece off. And it fell out. Alright, well, it had to be stubborn and fall out on me. Oh, I should have made some turkey gravy. That would have been really good. Yeah, oh well. I'll live. Alright, readjust and taste it. Right. Try the turkey loaf first. Cut a small piece so I'm not chewing for 10 minutes. There you go. Wow. That's really good. Like, really good. Get a bite with some stuffing. Wow. Try a Brussels sprout. Pretty good. Man, that meatloaf is good. Turkey loaf, excuse me. Alright, wait there. I gotta say, clean plate, other than the outer shells of the Brussels sprouts. Next time I'll make sure to peel them better. But other than that, it was delicious. Excuse me. The turkey loaf was really good. Nice flavor. Wow. You know, I sat at my computer for like 15 minutes, not a single burp. As soon as I get up, turn the camera on. Anyway, yeah, the link for the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday and also my last Cast Iron Wednesday will be in the end cards, which you're probably already seeing right now. Have a great day. Have a great rest of the week. We'll catch you in the next one.